Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Ateeb. I am here to teach you the plateau of latent potential. The topic is about building habits and getting progress. The return with respect to time. Let's see the graph. Here is a graph of the plateau of latent potential. What this means? It is a graph between time and returns that you get. Just see that what we think will happen. We think that when we start something, when we start to do something, to follow some habits, or to start working on achieving our goals, we think the progress will be linear. But no, that's not the case. That's never the case. Almost, in fact, we think that this will happen like this, like the progress will be linear, the returns will be with respect to time and start as we do hard work. But it is what happens. That's the value of disappointment. Meaning the progress is not linear, it always works like this. Till this period of time, that is called value of disappointment. Means we start something, we do hard work, but can't see progress. That's same like when you hit a gym. You go to gym, do workouts, but for almost a month you see no visible progress. But after a month, this happens. You get out of the valley of disappointment and start rising. That's the moment when you feel huge visible changes in your body. That's not only for gym, but for every aspect of life. The progress is not linear and never linear. Now, be disciplined even you see no progress. As we know, progress is not linear. We are doing hard work, we started hard work, achieving our goals, but no progress is happening. We are trying, but no results. That is when the hard time comes. Many people leave the hard work because they get demotivated, they disappoint. But that should not happen. You should stick to your habit and be disciplined in order to achieve your goals. Just keep in mind that you are in the valley of disappointment and you have to cross it. And the only way to cross it is be persistent and be disciplined. Now, let's see the next point. Breaking plateau of potential feels like overnight success. Yes, you work hard for many time, for a long period of time, no progress. But one day, when the progress appears, when the results shows up, start showing up, people think this is overnight success because even a day ago they see you are something else and now you are great person, or you have achieved something the very next day. People think it is overnight success, but only you know you work hard for how much period you know. Only hard work and discipline and persistence can make you successful. Now, next point. Most powerful outcomes are delayed. Yes. When you want to achieve something big, it is never achieved in overnight. Overnight success is just a word, and that's nothing exists like overnight success. Every successful man at least worked very long time, but you only see his or her success, not the hard work. Only the worker knows his work, and everyone else only sees the results and thinks that's easy. Habits need to persist long enough to break plateau. Yes. The time in the valley of disappointment is very long time and very hard time for a hard worker because he is working very hard, doing maximum he could do, but no results. This leads and this thing creates a thought in his mind that he should quit, he should give up. But no, that's the challenge. Once you give up, you will fail, or you will fail and lose all your progress. But the key to success is only persistence and discipline. Work hard and achieve what you want to achieve. That's the plateau of latent potential. Means this, that time is required to achieve goals. Nothing is overnight success. And also, in order to achieve something big, the hard work must be big. You cannot do small things to achieve big goals. Big goals always needs big hard works. And that's it, Muhammad Atib.